Hi, and welcome to CNC Mechanics and Mods. Today we're going to be working on adjusting an e-brake in a 2003 Honda Element EX. The only thing you're going to need for this job today is a 12mm wrench, and if you have a ratchet wrench, that'll be even better. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to do is take off this cover. All you got to do is pop this up, pull your e-brake so you can get this up out of the way. Just set that to the side for now. Pull this down. And now you're going to take your wrench right here and you're going to start tightening this. If you have a ratchet wrench, this will be a whole lot easier and faster for you because it takes quite a while, especially if yours is extra loose like mine. Just keep doing this for a little bit. And now that you're done tightening it, all you gotta do, put your e-brake back up, put your cover back on, pop it on, and your e-brake now works properly. Thank you for watching, and let me know in the comment section what kind of videos you want to see next.